everybody, it's Moji fan here, and today we are at a bowling place today. And Ollie's got his thing fixed, the blocker's still there, but we're waiting for it to go back. Oh, there we go, alright. So here with my brother, these are our scores. I've already went because I had to stop the vlog because... So, are you ready? Mom's in, yeah. No, Ollie, look, you want to be going like this, that you roll on the floor instead of dropping it. But Ollie got a strike on his first try.
I know.
He just got lucky. He's a lucky.
That's pretty good. I need another one.
Dude.
Ollie, go.
Wait for it to come through. Da 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 da. So yeah, this is my first vlog.
Bunny bag.
So we're gonna don't mind my nails because they're messed up.
Oh, there it is.
You got 18 from
Yeah.
I don't know. Alright, health starting to
Alright.
look upward.
My hand.
Are you ready? Don't drop that on your toes.
I'm not.
That would hurt. No, see, Ollie, watch me kind of like go down. Yeah, like that.
Oh.
I mean, you could have used more power.
No.
Ollie, you could have used more power.
It's gonna hit the wall and bounce off me. Wait, this might be good. This might be good.
Come on. I'm sorry for lighting here, guys.
Almost got a spare.
But yeah, I'm sorry for the lighting here, guys, because it's like really weird lighting, and I don't have any lighting. I didn't. Cause I wasn't gonna vlog this, but I was like, when my brother was vlogging, I was like, hey, go on, can I vlog? And she said, yeah. Alright, it's my turn. Alright, Ollie, you are in charge of vlogging me. He's gonna vlog me. Hello, everyone.
Like
Wait, Aaron?
You better give me a link in the description.
I might.
Description. The description.
my ball.
Well, this is
my
cool.
ball. So, Ollie, vlog me.
Yeah, there she goes.
This is on
The man, the myth, the legend. The man, the myth, the legend. The woman, the myth, the legend.
I guess I can't complain too much. We are winning.
Oh wow, that was pretty close.
So close.
That was good. How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Good. Pumped up. I haven't been bowling in so long.
Hi mom. This is Patty's phone. I'm pausing. Hi Walter. How are you feeling? He doesn't care. He doesn't care about YouTube and all the fans Penny has.
What fans?
Big old.
Ollie, I didn't know.
He's using big boy ball. Let's see how she does. They're right in the middle pen. If you can get middle strike, then you could get
This song's from Stranger Things. I know this song.
wait. You missed one.
This song's on Stranger Things, so I know this song. Yeah, I was one pin away. Mom, this song's on Stranger Things. Yeah, it is. So I know it.
I am carrying so hard with it.
Tell me if you know this song. I know it's really, really old, but I know that it's... What's up? Oh, they're my shoes. Are you gonna vlog?
Yeah.
But this is my new phone, so it has 2 cameras, so it should be very good quality. Alright, it's Mama's turn.
Alright guys, today is bowling part, I think.
Wait.
Part, I
I can't really see you because of all the light, but okay.
Today we're gonna be bowling.
I'm not that.
Mom, what day is it?
Monday.
Half price pizza. Mom, there's half price pizza. But look, there's half price pizzas on Monday, so.
Trying to vlog here. Alright, there she goes.
That's my mom. What? Aw. You got one. At least you got something. Oh no, copyright! I'll have to cut this song out, sadly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be copyright. I don't even know if you guys can hear it, because it's very loud.
Oh, there my brother goes.
What? Yeah? Yeah. Well, if I get verified and then I start making money, then this video won't make any money. Oh. Shut up, Paul. Oh, so close.
9 isn't bad for...
All right, Ollie, you're up.
Okay, can you hold my camera?
Mom, I think Mom because I don't want to drop it.
I got poop.
Oh, I think your camera's dirty because
Don't
it's very
stop
blurry.
it when I'm done, okay?
Ollie, your camera's very blurry.
That's not my ball. I need my...
I think the boys are using it. Is this one it?
No.
Is that what it?
It's like a pinkish one.
Okay, I think so.
Guys, I'm gonna be bowling again. I don't know why I keep saying that.
Is this Ollie?
Yeah, that one's
Oh,
mine.
this one's yours? Careful. Don't drop that on your toesies.
I'm not. Okay, guys, you ready?
Like, Ollie, like this. Yeah, like that. But you could. That wasn't very much power. Look at it go. There's like no power
What do you?
there.
How many pins do you think it's gonna get?
I don't know.
Oh no! Okay, not too bad. There's four
Oh, I have to use
pins.
more power.
There's 4 pins left. I see one behind one.
Yeah, you have to use more power. No, Ollie, I think it's just 3. No, Ollie, it's just 3. I think it's just 3. I don't
No,
know.
I see another one behind me.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of blind from all these lights. Blind by the lights.
Gotta pick it up. All right, here we go, guys.
Now, use more power, but lay it down smoothly. There, like that.
That was nice. Oh no!
Oh, no, it's curving.
Okay, there were 2. See, Pen, there were 2 pins back there.
Did you knock down 2?
Yeah, I knocked down 2. So there was 2 left, so I failed. So yeah.
All right, now it's Mom. Let's turn the vlog. Oh, thank you. No, it's fine. Thank you so much, Mom. Mom's like helping both of us vlog. She's
I
like,
know she's the best.
they keep stealing my black one. They keep stealing it.
Here's the panel, guys. Look, if you've never gone bowling, do it now. I'll steal your key.
Ah, too much deter curve. I got 2 pins.
Stupid. Well, then, if you're
That
lucky
is
enough,
so bad.
If you're lucky enough to get 8 more pins, then Penny, do you think you can get 8 more pins?
It curves too much.
Because guys, if you didn't know, in bowling there's 10 pins. Mostly there's 10 pins. So there are. You've gotten 2. Now you just gotta get 8. Penny, good luck out there, Penny.
Thanks.
I wish you the best luck. The best of luck.
No, I'm not getting anything.
You got. Pen, look, you got some.
I got 1 pin.
No, you got. Oh, that's sorry. I forgot.
I got a strike. But the thing happened. That was so
Then you
bad.
got a spare with the thing's help.
That was so bad. I can do better. I'm sorry, guys. That was very bad.
What color do you like your
Well, it really depends on how much you can hold.
But if like,
I'm gonna try a lighter ball because of my wrist.
All right.
when was the first time you went bowling?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys know this, but I sprained this wrist, my right wrist, when I was rollerblading, and so did my mom when she was little. But
What year was the first time you went bowling?
I don't know when I did. But yeah, I don't know if you guys do that, but I sprained this wrist, my right wrist, while rollerblading, so now it starts to hurt when I'm doing gymnastics, and that's very annoying. And having heavy balls like this sometimes irritates it. I've been bowling on a long time, but carrying heavy things sometimes
Wait, it's a
irritates
double video.
Double vloggers. We're double vlogging. We're double vlogging. We also went by the waterfall, but I did not vlog that. But I do have. I'm gonna
I think
upload a
I'm
short.
only gonna do this video because
Why do my hands look so dirty?
yeah, this is
They're
part
not dirty.
1. This is part 1 of bowling. I think I'm just gonna.
But yeah, but mom, there's half off
Leave a
pizza.
like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss.
So yeah, there's half off pizza today. No!
What'd she get?
I don't think she got
I'm only
anything. Why?
Just because it's gonna take so long to upload all the other.
All right, Ollie, you're up.
All right, Mom.
You're
Go
up.
ahead and vlog me.
We're not in Europe. But yeah, we also went to the waterfall, but I did not vlog that. But I will upload shorts of it. It was really cool.
I need to get my pink ball.
Double vlogging.
need someone that can.
Come on, Matt. Just kidding.
I need my ball. Okay,
Tell me
guys.
if you know that means.
Are you guys ready? Wish me luck in the comment section.
Ready?
Oh wait, I need to get full power.
Alright, ready? Power.
That's
You
got
didn't-
some
do you-
power.
Oh, that wasn't that much power, but no. To get a strike, you really have to hit like the middle pin.
That was okay. Actually.
Wasn't bad.
That was okay. What do you
Yeah.
guys?
Mom, are we gonna get pizza?
You guys like
There's
that?
half off pizza today. You got pizza.
We'll see.
I'm dancing.
There's deals every day, which is
I
good.
have to wait for my ball. There it is.
My hands look so dirty under these lights. They're not dirty, I promise. I washed my hands.
I was gonna make that joke.
Thank you, ball. Okay, guys, this is my last time rolling for this turn. So, are you guys ready?
Again? I already.
Leave a thumbs up, guys. Leave a thumbs up for good luck.
Wait, why are we getting the exact same things each time? I don't know how bowling school always works. Oh!
One pin left.
So close.
Okay. Now we're gonna stop them so we can get going and get caught up. Otherwise, we're not gonna get a second.
Oh, right. All right, so guys, thank you guys so much
Thank you
for
so much for watching.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's subscribe in the comment section down below and let me know if you have any bowling. I love you guys so much. And goodbye.